Today we are going into learn how to use FaceApp in your phone. What you need to do, you need to go to Play Store. You open your Play Store. It's coming up. Where a bit. When you open your Play Store, you see a place that says search. You search what you want to get. You said FaceApp. FaceApp, you click on it. Because I have downloaded it before, that is why my own is showing an update. But as a beginner that you have not used it before, you will see install. You click on install. So let's go back. So here you need to open it. Yes, I have downloaded it before. You click on it. Once you click on your FaceApp, you can see that it's opening. You can see that it's opening. From here, you pick you go to your gallery to pick one of your picture that you want to edit. Like my own, I goes to my gallery picture, I goes to my screenshots. You have the picture that you want to edit on your phone already. Okay, it's opening very well. No picture here. Let me go to WhatsApp. Excuse me. Yes, like this is my picture. You can see this is my picture. What you need to do, impress. So you click on the one you want to use. It's green. You apply it. You go to hairstyle. You choose the hairstyle you want. Can you see this one has come out? You choose another one. Maybe you need the long one. If you want to get the long one, can you see it's changing? Can you see it's changing? Can you see how it's changing? That is how it will change. You apply the one you want to use. You get the one that is moderate. You can see it's changing. It's changing. can see how it's changing. You can see how it's changing. You apply it, it has changed. So that is how to use FaceApp. You save your work. Now you can share directly to Facebook, but no, you can also save it. You can also put ammunition. You can see ammunition, how it was before and how it is now. Ammunition is going, how it was before and how it is now. Have you seen it? You save it. You save it. So you need to go to your drive, and you save it.